Hello, I am Dr. KK Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on operations management part first. Come to the question. Question number 1 dash refers to the transformation of the state of input into output. Options are A. Transportation, B. Alteration, C. Inspection, D. All of these. Here correct option is B. Alteration. 2 dash refers to the preserving goods in a protected environment. Options are A. Alteration, B. Inspection, C. Storage, D. Bargaining. Here correct option is C. Storage. 3 dash refers to the verification of and confirmation towards the requirements of an entity. A. Inspection, B. Pricing, C. Alteration, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Inspection. 4 dash is the management of all activities directly related to the production of goods and services. Options are A. Production management, B. Finance control, C. Employee development, D. All of these. The correct option is A. Production management. 5. Which of the following statement is not true in the case of goods? A. Tangibility, B. Can be stored, C. Physical shape, D. Intangibility. Correct option is D. Intangibility. 6. Which of the following is not an objective of operations management? A. Customer satisfaction, B. Profitability, C. Timeliness, D. Employee punishment. Here correct option is D. Employee punishment. 7. Which of the following is not part of scientific management principles? A. Replacement of a rule of thumb, B. Scientific selection of employees, C. Supervise each worker in detail, D. Coercion. The correct option is D. Coercion. 8. Dash is a measure of quantity of output per unit of input. A. Productivity, B. Marketability, C. Sociability, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Productivity. 9. Dash is the sum of all the observations and divided by the total number of observations. A. Median, B. Mode, C. Mean, D. None of these. Here correct option is C. Mean. 10. All of the following are differences between manufacturing and service operations except A. Quality is more easily measured in service operations, B. Productivity is easier to measure in manufacturing operations, C. Contact with consumers is more prevalent with persons working in service operations, D. Accumulation or decrease in inventory of finished products is more applicable to manufacturing operations. So, here from among the options available, though it is applied one, correct option is A. Quality is more easily measured in service operations in view of the question. Question number 11. Walter Shewhart is listed among the most important people of firm because of his contributions to A. Assembly line production, B. Measuring productivity in the service sector, C. Statistical quality control, D. Just-in-time inventory methods. So, here Walter Shewhart is related to statistical quality control. Here correct option is C. 12. Lillian and Frank Gilbert are responsible for principles of A. Socio-technical systems, B. Zero inventory, C. Motion study, D. Interchangeable parts. So, this is a question which is normally asked in even NET examinations also. So, Lillian and Frank Gilbert related to motion study. 13. This is the process of randomly inspecting a sample of goods and deciding whether to accept the entire lot based on the results. Options are A. Statistical process control, B. Acceptance sampling, C. A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Acceptance sampling. 14. Dash is a system that is used to maintain a desired level of quality in a product or service. Options are A. Economic ordering quantity, B. Quality control, C. Knowledge management, D. Manpower planning. The correct option is B. Quality control. 15. Operations management is applicable A. Mostly to the service sector, B. Mostly to the manufacturing sector. C. To manufacturing and service sectors. D. To services exclusively. A correct option is C. To manufacturing and service sector. 16. The person most responsible for popularizing interchangeable parts in manufacturing was. Options are A. Ellie Whitney, B. Whitney Houston, C. Sergio Farmerson, D. Lillian Gilbert. Here correct option is A. Ellie Whitney. Better one needs to remember. You need to remember. You must make a combination for remembering it, right? That interchangeable concept in fact is related to Ellie Whitney, while we discussed earlier that Gilbert related to motion study. By the way, the terms would be appearing in this slide, and the entire tutorial is really beneficial. Now, question number 17. The father of scientific management is. Options are A. Frank Gilbert, B. Frederick W. Taylor, C. F. Edwards Deming, D. Walter Stewart. Here correct option is B. Frederick W. Taylor. 18. Henry Ford is noted for his contributions to A. Quality control, B. Assembly line operations, C. Scientific management, D. Standardization of parts. The correct option is B. Assembly line operations. 19. Which of the following is not an objective of operation management? Options are A. To improve product quality, B. To reduce cost of production, C. Material cost control, D. Trading on quantity. Here correct option is D. Trading on 20. Hawthorne studies were related with dash A. Scientific management, B. Human relations management, C. Marketing management, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Human relations management. 20. Moving of material from the storeroom to the machine and from one machine to the next machine during the process of manufacture is called dash A. WED analysis, B. ABC analysis, C. Material handling, D. None of these. Here correct option is C. Material handling. 22. Dash is the term used to describe the set of statistical tools used by quality professionals for the purpose of quality control. Options are A. Accounting standards, B. Statistical quality control, C. Population study, D. None of the above. Here correct option is B. Statistical quality control. 23. Dash is the part of applying tests preferably by the aid of measuring appliances to observe whether a given item or product is within the specified limits of variability or not. So, here options are A. Inspection, B. Planning, C. Leading, D. None of the above. Here correct option is A. Inspection. 24. Which of the following is true about business strategies? A. All firms within an industry will adopt the same strategy. B. Well-defined missions make strategic development much easier. C. Strategies are formulated independently of SWOT analysis. D. An organization should stick with its strategy for the life of the business. Here correct option is B. Well-defined missions make strategic development much easier. 25. Dash is the progress of selection of path which each part of the product will follow. Options are A. Routing, B. Scheduling, C. Follow-up, D. Dispatching. Here correct option is A. Route. 26. Dash is the fixation of time and date for each operation as well as set it determines the sequence of operations to be followed. Options are A. Dispatching, B. Scheduling, C. Routing, D. All of these. Here correct option is B. Scheduling. 27. Dash is the process of verification or correction in the quality of the product when the deviations in the quality are found to be more than expected. Options are A. Policies, B. Quality control, C. Quantity measurement, D. None of these. Here correct option is B. Quality control. 28. Which of the following is true? The impact of strategies on the general direction and basic character of a company is. Options are A. Long range, B. Short range, C. Minimal, D. Medium range. Here correct option is A. Long range. 29. Which of the following is true? A. Corporate strategy is shaped by functional strategies. B. Corporate mission is shaped by corporate strategies. C. Functional strategies are shaped by corporate strategy. D. External conditions are shaped by corporate mission. Here correct option is C. Functional strategies are shaped by corporate strategy. 30. The fundamental purpose of an organization's mission statement is to options are A. Define the organization's purpose in the society. B. Define the operational structure of the organization. C. Generate good public relations for the organization. D. Define the functional areas required by the organization. Here correct option is A. Define the organization's purpose in the society. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button so that you keep on getting notifications for my new uploads. Let me tell you that more video tutorials on other management subjects and commerce subjects are available. Even interview questions and developing personality and soft skills video tutorials are also available to you. If you have really liked it, please forward it to others also, those who are needy now and in the future, because you are to write your examinations very soon. Definitely this video tutorial will help you in preparing your examinations. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck. Thank you.